Maavybooks, getting started with product list. Maavybooks make it really simple to manage details of multiple product names, their sales rate, purchase rates along with GST rates and discounts applicable, thus making it easy to access and record these details at time of making invoices and also managing inventory entry and drawings. To add or view the products in product list, click on product list button on dashboard. You can also navigate to product list using the sidebar. For adding new product, visit the product list create section of product list. To add products to product list, you must have product list counts left. Free plan normally comes with 25 products limit in product list. In case you need more limit, you can choose to upgrade to paid plan. Product number is the unique number generated by Maavybooks for every product added to product list. It makes the management of products in product list easy. You can enter the details like product name, product code, HSN code, SGST percent, GST percent, IGST percent, discount percent, along with sales rate, purchase rate, category, subcategory, and description of product. Filling all the details is not compulsory. You can choose according to your requirements to fill details in product list. Purchase rate is displayed while creating purchase invoice and sales rate is displayed while creating sales invoice. On the other hand, category and subcategory make it easy to segregate the products while searching in product list. After entering the data, you can click on submit button to save product data in product list. Editing product details in product list. Editing product details is also very simple in Maavybooks. Editing product details is also very simple in Maavybooks. Just go to list section of product list and click on edit. You can see the pre-filled form with all your details. Change the details you want to edit and then click on submit. You will be shown an alert box with success message. Deleting a product from product list is again simple. Just go to list section under product list. Click on delete button beside the product details you want to delete. A dialog box appears. Click yes if you want to delete this product. The product will be deleted from your product list. Although you can delete a product from product list, it is advisable to edit the product details as deleting a product reduces the product list limit available to user. Hope this tutorial help you manage products in Maavybooks product list. Happy accounting journey ahead.